coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's question is draw the involute of a square of length 30 millimeters. So let's see how we're going to go about it. So first, let me align this for a bit so it's better. First, you are going to draw a square 30 millimeters. Let me bring this one here. So then measure. That's the 30 here. And that's the 30 also here. Now let's complete the square. So we have our square now. The next thing I'm going to do is to find, or is to first draw the horizontal line. Then find the circumference of the square. The circumference of the square is the sum of all the sides. So that's 30 times 4. That's 120. So 12 millimeters. So 12 millimeters. Let's number them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are 12. We are also going to divide this 12 into 4 parts, but you measure. So here's our first part, second part, third part, and our last part. I just marked out the 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So this can also be our 1, our 2, our 3, and our 4. I think we made a mistake with the numbering. Let's renumber it. So this is our point 1. C will be our point 2, our point 3, our point 4, then our point B. So that's where we take your reference from. Now let's draw lines tangents to each of the points. So this one goes up. This one goes this way. And this one comes down here. Yes, that's, let me erase this line so I don't get confused. Make you stand at 1, open to P, stand at 1, and come and knock. Stand at the same thing. So stand at 1, open to P, that's my P. Stand at 1, and inscribe an arc. Next, stand at 2, open to P, stand at 2, and inscribe an arc. Yes. Next, stand at 3, and open to P. Stand at 3, and inscribe an arc. Now, if you stand at 4 and open to 4, will be the same distance as 4, from 4 to 1. So there's no need to measure it. So we have our point this way. So we're going to join them with a freehand sketch. the last one. Yeah, so that's the involute of a square. For the last point, let's see how it will go. Yes. And that's how to draw the involute of a square.